Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make circle text in Alight Motion. First, open the Alight Motion application and begin a brand new project. Next, add a text layer to your composition, typing out the words you wish to curve. It's important to select a font that is easy to read and adjust the text size so it fits well within your design. Now, let's create the path for your text. Add a new shape layer and select the circle option. You can then adjust its size and position on the screen to perfectly match where you want your text to curve. Make sure this circle has no fill color, only a visible stroke. This stroke will serve as the invisible guide for your text, so its appearance doesn't matter much. Building on basic and special moves, combos are sequences of attacks that deal significant damage. Start by chaining 2 or 3 basic attacks, then try to incorporate a special move at the end. Timing is key. Each hit must connect before the next input. Developing a strategy involves understanding your character's strengths and weaknesses and adapting to your opponent's playstyle. For instance, if an opponent favors close-range attacks, consider using projectiles or quick evasive maneuvers. Practice these attack strings to maximize your damage output and control the fight. Finally, let's refine your circular text. Within the Text on Path effect settings, you can adjust the offset to precisely position your words along the circle. Experiment with letter spacing to ensure optimal readability and visual appeal. For an extra touch, consider animating the path offset property to create a dynamic, rotating text effect. These adjustments will help achieve a polished and professional look.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.